Welcome back. In today's video, we explore how AI reviews Nifty 50 pharma stocks, DRREDDY, CIPLA, and SunPharma. From fundamentals to risk levels and insights, let's see what the data reveals. A personalized Python program works alongside an advanced language model to generate summaries, categorize stocks, assess risk levels, and provide key insights, which are then stored securely in a MySQL database. Once the data is saved, it's plugged into Power BI, giving us smooth and clear stock charts. We even added return calculations using old data to make everything beginner-friendly. Stock name DRREDDY S Laboratories. Current price $12.25. AI risk level medium. AI tag value. Price YTD 1360.37. Return YTD minus 9.95%. Price 1 year ago 1384.05. Return 1 year minus 11.49%. Price 3 year ago, 813.15. Return 3 year, 50.65%. Price 5 year ago, 898.29. Return 5 year, 36.37%. AI summary. DRREDDY's Laboratories is a well-established pharmaceutical company with a moderate valuation indicated by a pay ratio of 17.99 and a low forward pay ratio of 3.57. The company exhibits solid profitability with a healthy ROE of 17.71% and a decent profit margin of 16.99%. However, the stock carries some risk due to a moderate debt-to-equity ratio of 13.75. Despite moderate earnings and revenue growth rates of 2.0% and 11.4% respectively, the company maintains a strong free cash flow position. AI insight. Strong profitability and moderate valuation make DRREDDY's Laboratories an attractive value pick in the healthcare sector. Stock name CIPLA Ltd. Current price 1515.10. AI risk level medium. AI tag growth. Price YTD 1515.97. Return YTD minus 0.06%. Price 1 year ago 1515.67. Return 1 year minus 0.04%. Price 3 year ago 1013.64. Return 3 year 49.47%. Price 5 year ago 688.96. Return 5 year 119.91%. AI summary. CIPLA Ltd. CIPLA.NS is a healthcare stock with a moderate valuation indicated by a pay ratio of 22.7083 and forward pay of 23.8448. The company shows solid profitability with a profit margin of 19.62% and a healthy EPS of a superscript 166.72. However, the stock carries some risk with a debt-to-equity ratio of 1.404, which indicates higher leverage. The growth prospects are decent with earnings growth at 10.2% and revenue growth at 3.2%. AI Insight. CIPLA Ltd shows promising growth potential with a strong profit margin, but investors should be cautious of the higher debt levels impacting the risk profile. Stock name SunPharmaceutical Ind. Current price 1641.60. AI risk level high. AI tag caution. Price YTD 1872.46. Return YTD minus 12.33%. Price 1 year ago 1715.63. Return 1 year minus 4.32%. Price 3 year ago 889.19. Return 3 year 84.62%. Price 5 year ago 501.38. Return 5 year 227.42%. AI summary. Sun Pharmaceutical Ind L. SunPharma.ns is a healthcare stock with a relatively high P/E ratio of 37.8685 and forward pay of 50.23 to 6, indicating a premium valuation. The company has a healthy profit margin of 19.29% and a moderate dividend yield of 0.67%. However, the high debt-to-equity ratio of 3.259 raises concerns about financial risk. Despite negative earnings growth of minus 19.5%, the revenue growth of 9.5% shows potential for future expansion. AI Insight. Sun Pharmaceutical high debt levels may impact future financial performance. Monitor closely.